Hoćemo li pjevat sretan rođendan za početak? Tom danas ima rođendan. Tome, da čujemo kakav je ovdje izazov, što će dečki raditi?
Meni je samo rečeno da im treba reći kada rade i da one sve rade.
Oni sve rade. So you are going to do everything. Are you ready?
Yeah.
You are?
Can't wait.
Što si ti kuhao do sada?
Ja ne kuham.
Ništa ne kuhaš.
Yeah, really pro. I know, but I was their best shucker for sure, and I could get in there and just grab a crab, and I wouldn't even get picked. I mean, back in the day, like when I was in my heyday, I would do like 10 and 30 seconds, just boom, 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 get it right out there, horseradish on there, and just ready to go.
And now?
Squeeze a lemon. I'm struggling now. I'm breaking a sweat. It's nerve-wracking up here. I don't like it.
So what do you think about your phone?
We're doing a really good job. I'm surprised Zanosky
Zanosky, you're all surprised by Zanosky. Why?
because he doesn't cook very much, so it's good to see.
You're gonna get that?
And other guys?
The guys I know, like,
I want to see this.
Zanosky